Hello and welcome to today's video. So yesterday the lesson was about finding the area of compound shapes, and the homework was from question 2 to question 8, I believe. So what I am going to do in this video is that I'm going to work with you some or all of the questions. Okay, so let's begin. Page 8, question number 2. So I have this diagram over here. Okay, as you can see, we can split the image vertically like this, so that we will have a rectangle and a triangle. To find the area of a rectangle, we just multiply the length times breadth. Okay, now we know that the length is 9 times 8, so 9 times 8, which is equal to 72 centimeters squared. Always remember to write the units. These are called the units, and in area, of course, we write centimeters squared, since these are centimeters. If they are meters, we write meters squared. Let's find the area of the triangle. So area of triangle is equal to base times height all over by 2. Now, as you can see, we need to find the base and the height of the triangle, because they are not given. So we know that from here to here it is 9 centimeters. So from here to here it is also 9 centimeters. But we know that this part is 4. So the height of the triangle is equal to 5 centimeters. 9 minus 4, which is equal to 5. Again, this side is equal to 8 centimeters, so this side is equal to 8 centimeters as well. So to find this part, the base of the triangle, we need to subtract 20, the whole length, minus 8. So 20 minus 8 is equal to 12 centimeters. So now we know that the base is equal to 12 centimeters, while the height is equal to 5 centimeters. So 12 times 5 division by 2. 12 times 5 is equal to 60. 60 division by 2, which is equal to 30 centimeters squared. So the total area, it's important to add these two up. So 72 plus 30, which is equal to 102 centimeters squared. And this is the answer. Let's go to page 3. So page 3, we have a trapezium, and again we have a rectangle and a triangle. So let's begin with finding the area of the rectangle. So area of rectangle is equal to length times breadth, so 6 times 5, which is equal to 30 centimeters squared. We need to find the area of the triangle. Again, we need to find the missing side that we have. We need to find from here to here. Okay, we know that this whole line is equal to 10 centimeters, but this part of the rectangle is 6 centimeters. So this is 6, total is 10, so this part is equal to 4 centimeters. We know the height, this is 5, so here it is also 5 centimeters. So area of triangle is equal to base times height division by 2. The base is 4 times 5 division by 2. 4 times 5 is 20. 20 division by 2 is equal to 10 centimeters squared. Once again, to find the total area, so total area is equal to 30 plus 10, which is equal to 40 centimeters squared. Question 4. Question 4, as you remember, I have shown you two methods, one which is the adding method and one the subtracting method. What we have done in question 2 and 3 is the addition method, where we have found the areas of the two shapes and then we add them up. In this case, in question 4, we are going to subtract. Why? We are going to find the area of the whole rectangle, the gray and the white together, okay? This rectangle. And then finding the area of the door and subtract, okay? So let's start by finding the area of the total wall. Area of rectangle is equal to length times breadth. Length is equal to 4, breadth is equal to 3, which is equal to 12, in this case, meters squared. The area of the door is equal to length times breadth, so 2 times 1, which is equal to 2 meters squared. So this time we need to subtract the door, okay, from the wall. So total area is equal to 12 minus 2, which is equal to 10 meters squared. So in this case, we subtract what we didn't want. Question 5. The shape is already divided for us. We need to find the area of the rectangle and the area of the triangle. Okay, so the area of the rectangle, I'm not going to continue working them all with the working, okay? So the area of the rectangle is 12 times 2, which is equal to 24 centimeters squared. We need the area of the triangle. We know that the base is equal to 6, but we need to find the perpendicular height. In this case, from here to here it is 12 centimeters, but we know that from here to here it is equal to 7. So this remaining part is equal to 5 centimeters. 12 minus 7, which is equal to 5. So we need to find the area of the triangle. So 6 times 5, which is equal to 30. 30 division by 2, which is equal to 15 centimeters squared. I'm not showing the working here, okay, but it is important for you to work like I have shown you here. It is very, very important, including writing the formulae also for the areas, okay? I'm just skipping the working so that the video won't take too long. So now the next step is to add 24 plus 15. So total area is equal to 24 plus 15, which is equal to 39 centimeters squared. That is page 9, question 5. Let's go to question 6. Again in question 6, it is better if we work out with the subtracting method. So that is best to find the area of this whole rectangle by multiplying 10 times 8, which is equal to 80 centimeters squared, okay? And then subtract these white parts, okay? So each part, these are the same, okay? Each part is equal to 8 centimeters squared. I have just multiplied 4 by 2, which is 8, okay? And we have 3 such rectangles, okay? So the total area, so here we have also 8 centimeters squared and 8 centimeters squared. So the area of the white part is equal to 24 centimeters squared, 8 times 3. So now to find the area of the shaded part, because we need to find only the area of the shaded part in the diagram, we need to subtract 80 minus 24. Again, please do show your working, okay? I'm skipping a lot of working here, okay? So which is equal to 56 centimeters squared, okay? Question 7, again a rectangle and a triangle. I'm going to split it in this manner horizontally. So first we need to find the area of the rectangle, 12 times 5, which is equal to 60 centimeters squared, always write the units, okay? Don't forget them. We need to find the height of the triangle and also the base of the triangle, okay? So we know that the total height of this diagram is equal to 9 centimeters, okay? But this part is 5 centimeters. So 9 minus 5, the perpendicular height of the triangle is equal to 4 centimeters. Again, here we have 12 centimeters. This part is equal to 7 centimeters. So this part is equal to 5 centimeters. 12 minus 7, which is equal to 5 centimeters. So the area of the triangle is equal to base times height on 2. So 5 times 4 on 2, which is equal to 10 centimeters squared. So the total area is equal to 60. This time we are adding, okay, not subtracting as we did here, okay, because these questions are different. So 60 minus 10, which is equal to 50 centimeters squared, okay. Question 8, last question on page 11. So here we have another diagram. We need to find the area of this diagram first, and then we need to answer this question as well. So let's find the area of the rectangle. Although it seems to be a square, it is not a square because we have 100 meters and 75 meters. So it is a rectangle. So to find the area of this rectangle, we have to multiply 100 by 75, which is equal to 7500 meters squared. There are in meters, so the answer should be meters squared. Now, to find the area of the triangle, we need to find some sides. First of all, the lengths of the sides, missing sides. So from here to here, we know that this length is equal to 160. This is equal to 75. So 160 minus 75, we end up 85 meters. So from here to here, the base of the triangle is equal to 85 meters. We need to find the perpendicular height of the triangle. We know that this rectangle is 100 meters high and this part is equal to 30 meters. So we need to subtract 30 from 100, which will end up with 70 meters, the height of the triangle. So to find the area of the triangle, we need to multiply the base times height and then divide by 2. So 70 times 85 division by 2. So the answer for that is equal to 2975 meters squared. Now we need to add these two together, okay, total area. So let me work it out here. So total area is equal to, just add these together, the answer is equal to 10475 meters squared. Now we have another question, not just to find the area of this compound shape. The question is this: the farmer sells the field for 3 sterling per square meter. So every square meter costs 3 sterling. Square meter is meters squared. Okay? So 1 meters squared is equal to 3 sterling. The area of this field, the total area of this field is 10,475 meters squared. So to find the total amount of money that the farmer should get is to multiply the area by 3, because every 1 meter squared costs 3 pounds. So we need to multiply 10475 times 3, which is equal to 31,000 sterlings 425. And that is the final answer. Hope that you understood better how we find the area of compound shapes, and that's it for this video. Bye for now.